This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hadin ka jingdap spak stem ka jaka jungok kai perthai ka bala kring ba ya ki nong let nawan hapo ka nong ba Shillong haka khanyo tre julio araja arpusan uba pol lingdo u menteri ka kam jungok kai perthai ka Sorkar jilla ula pentip maka Sorkar jilla ling ba ka tanat urban affairs kala penlat ya ka notice inviting tender ka bah nyu Klur tam ban Pynkhuid ya ki jabo ka Pung Ahor hanan Polok bat ban pen Itynnad ru ya ki saudong saukun ka jilla ka jaka haba pentip ya ka dia uba pol lingdo ula ong bahaki artayo banwan ansala ban sedang no ekani ke jingtrai da ka penan kam ya ki technology ka nano bubble ban yarap penbun ya kal air khoj ni oxygen bar ka jing khoj ko ha ka te ka Pung ula ong ru ba ya ka light and sound show kani ka project ka Sorkar kan sa Mang biang sa South Klur tingka but on sa khot tender no shan
monsoon season we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Wards Lake. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. A few initiatives of the Department of Tourism and I would like you to also share this information with the general public. One, and this is very good news, is that as far as enhancing the potential of Wards Lake as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake. And through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of rupees 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Wards Lake, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.